quality assurance, quicker turnaround times, local engineering and sales support, lower total cost of ownership. These are some of the many reasons to source parts and components from domestic manufacturers. WIKA is a global company with 11,000 employees in 43 countries, including over 800 employees in 6 U.S. locations. WIKA Sensor Technology in Central Ohio is a trusted manufacturer of precision force and pressure instruments. Built in 2023, this 20,000 square foot facility continues WIKA's investment in the local economy. In 2024, the plant received its recertification to AS9100 quality standards in the aviation, space, and defense industry. Companies in North America and around the world trust WIKA sensors. From ground to space, agricultural equipment to rocket launch pads, WIKA Sensor Technology provides customer-focused measurement solutions for the most challenging applications.